MSC Meraviglia 11254. It's on deck 11. It's a very nice interior room. The bed's made into a king-size bed. Now, we have not seen this room before, so I'm just going to take you around and you'll discover things as we do. On this side of the bed's a nice little light. Looking at it, we'll figure out what these things do. Little touch on off. It's two separate light switches. What does that do? That turns on the lights in the room. There's a little nightstand on that side of the bed. On this side, there's another nightstand. It looks like it has the same light setup, some art on the wall, some reading lights above the bed. Here's your phone. This does have what appears to be a USB plug-in and two European plugs. On this side over here, there are two 110 outlets. Down here is a pull-out drawer that has a nice little hair dryer in it. There's a little pull-out stool there. Then we have the mini bar, which is locked. They've locked us out of the mini bar. We have some closet space here, which I'll open up, expose. Closet space with some shelves down there and the safe that's in it. Over here we have the TV remote. There's a little shelf there, a little trash can down here, a full-length mirror here, and some hooks to hang things. Now here is the air conditioning. This is kind of neat. There's a do not disturb button you can push and a make up the room button. There's some LEDs on the outside that I'll show you. When you push them, the lights come on. Down here, this is the room lights. I'm assuming that's the bathroom light. This is the interior light. You do have to have the key card in the slot for it to come on. Here is the air conditioner, which we will turn all the way down to cold, even though it is January. Here's the bathroom. Oh, and I'm gonna like this bathroom. Look at this, y'all. Some towels up there, some shelves to put things on. This Meraviglia appears to be a very nice ship. Looks like a lot of room in the shower. There's the standard pulley thingy that goes across there to hang your towels or your swimsuits or anything. Very nice. Very nice. But this is the room tour. The Meraviglia 11524. Interior.